In this video, we are going to see how we can use the walking directions in Google Maps. So if you want to turn on the walking features, you can walk through streets, and that is very helpful for the narrow streets, which is just for the walking and you want to find some location. So you want to change it from driving or public transport to walking, right? Let's choose some of the location. I'll just choose this location for the sake of example. Just choose that particular location. So let's say that I am in Dubai and near Dubai Stadium, and I want to walk to any particular location. So what you can do is just choose that location, click on get the directions. And let's say that I choose the location. We are starting from Dubai Sports City to Dubai International Cricket Stadium, and we want to walk on this path. As you can see, the driving is 1.6 kilometers, 5 minutes, but the walking is 19 minutes. So let's say on that particular day of the match, the streets are closed for driving. It's only available for walking because it's a big match. So you can just turn on the walking feature by just turning from this icon to this other one. And you can see for yourself, click on preview, and it will start guiding you about the walk. So now the benefit of this is it will include all the sidewalks, the cut throughs, and all the shortcuts that is not suitable for the driving, but you can easily walk through those streets. So this is how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.